Hi, I'm Clever Ghoul, but you can call me Nikki. Welcome back to the channel. I've seen a ton of candle painting videos online, either with wax or acrylic paint. I've tried the wax version and it did not go well at all. But then I remembered that I saw one back around Halloween where someone took temporary tattoos of bats and transferred them onto the candle. Now I can't find the video anywhere, but I wanted to try that out. And I thought since spring is on the way, we could do this with colorful floral tattoos instead. This is also very quick and a million times easier than painting candles because it requires little to no skill. All you really need to be able to do is use scissors. So with all that being said, let's get into it. For materials, you'll need the following. Taper candles. As many as you want to use. I ended up getting this 4-pack from my local Home Goods. Temporary tattoos, rubbing alcohol, paper towels, and water. You can probably get all of these items locally, but I will also have my affiliate links in the description box. Now, my only reservation with this project is when it comes to burning the candles themselves. Make sure that you're doing so in a well-ventilated area or even outside. I say this because I'm not sure what ink is used inside of the tattoos, but since they go on the skin, I don't think they could be worse than if you painted candles with acrylic paint, which, if you didn't know, acrylic paint has plastic in it. So if you paint candles with acrylic paint as it burns down, you might be inhaling that plastic. Again, just keep a well-ventilated area regardless of what you do. I think that's a good rule of thumb with candles anyway, unless you're using beeswax, you don't really know what you're breathing in. So just something to keep in mind. First, you want to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol onto a paper towel and then wipe down your candles. This will help keep the surface clean and smooth and easier for the tattoos to adhere to. Next, cut out whatever temporary tattoos you want to use, but make sure to leave the plastic liner on top of them. Now it's time to apply the tattoos. For this first candle, I wanted to focus on making flowers at the bottom, almost as if they're growing out from the candle holder that they'll be in later. And to apply them, I would peel off the plastic, place the tattoo down on top of the candle, and press it down a little bit so it slightly sticks. Then take my paper towel, dip it in the water, squeeze out most of the excess, and then press it down on top of the tattoo, firmly holding it for about 15 to 30 seconds. Then I would remove the paper towel, peel up the corner of the paper, and the tattoo would be adhered. Just a note here, if you go to pull up this piece of paper and it feels like it's sticking or like you can't get that paper off, leave it as it is, pick up that wet paper towel and hold it back down over the tattoo for another 15 seconds or so, and then it should remove easily. Continue adding the tattoos until you're satisfied with the design, and then move on to the next one. For my second candle, I went for more of a collage approach. If you do this, I recommend pre-cutting the tattoos out that you want to use and sorting them by largest to smallest, and then applying them also from largest to smallest. This way you're putting the bigger ones on first and seeing how much space you'll have left, and then you fill in with the medium and smaller tattoos. I also think it's important to consider color as you're placing these tattoos so that you don't have just one blob of one color somewhere, and instead it's more balanced throughout the entire candle. Once I was done with that, I made 2 more simple designs, and I was done, which means it's time for the reveal. Here they are. As you can see, I have the first 2 I showed you, the one with the flowers line the bottom of the candle, and then the collage candle. But I also have this sort of striped all pink design, and then this very simple line of flowers. My favorites are definitely the collage style and the all pink, but I wanted to give you some simple options too in case you weren't sure where to start or you like more of a minimalist look. I also love how quick this project is. It can take anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour. It really just depends on how much detail you're using and how many tattoos you have to cut out and apply. I did all 4 of these in about an hour and a half, and the collage took about 45 minutes to an hour, but I think it was worth it. Anyway, I think these are so cute, and I think it could be really fun to do with a group of friends or give as a gift. And I love how customizable it is. There are so many variables to this project. You could make this on even longer taper candles or shorter candles. You could even make it on a larger pillar candle. You could do completely different tattoos. And then of course, however you want to lay them out just makes this project kind of like a snowflake for whoever does it. They're all going to be different. Speaking of, how would you approach this project? I'd love to know, so let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!